Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix your Instagram live screen is not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve this issue, you just simply have to open your Play Store application and check for the update of your Instagram app. In order to do that, just simply search for Instagram application into Play Store, then click to this Instagram application into here. And if your Instagram application show this update button into here, you just simply have to update your application and then this problem with the live screen of your Instagram will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.